Hi, this is Sean from Minard's Leisure World here in Weyburn, and I'm going to go over some seal maintenance to watch on your slides, just due to the fact that lots of people are not aware of what they need to be watching for. So we got a slide here with your D seal, which is your important seal when your slide is closed. Anytime that you see stuff starting to build up and get sticky like this, you definitely want to get this cleaned off. At that point, this product that you're going to use to get that off will be called naphtha, or we call it white gas camp fuel. That'll help get that off. At that point, you want to kind of make sure you wipe the residue off with a warm soapy water, that your slide seals don't retain that stickiness. Making sure at the same time that your wiper seal is always in contact with your slide when it's open, and that it is flipped over to propel the rain from getting into the cabin of the trailer. At that point, if it isn't flipped, make sure you just put your hand in, reach in and just kind of give it a flip out, and then that way it's going to retain keeping water away from the trailer. We're going to go over also some other seals that are very important on the slide that will make sure your floor stays in good maintenance. You got to seal along this termination molding along the bottom of your slide out. Always ensure that this seal is in good condition and that the water cannot penetrate the side of this. Otherwise, you will end up with a soft floor very fastly. And always check underneath, and some of these trailers will have a slide ski that also makes sure that it's not cracked or broken away from the trailer, because that will also allow water to get in and wreck the side of the floor. Over here on your slide fascia, it's very important to maintain this seal, as the same thing will happen as if there's a crack in the sealant. There will be water penetrating in and getting in and making your floor soft, causing delamination in the wall as well. So those are very important parts of the seal to watch. We have a corner mold here, very important again on maintenance and making sure that you don't have water getting in, is always intact and with screws in behind this vinyl insert, and you want to be watching for any of the cracking kind of down the side of the sealant. And also very important is that you can see in this one here, the vinyl insert is short, which will allow water to get into the channel, causing possible leakage as well. So it's always important to make sure that those are sealed and fully intact at all times.